Welcome to my channel. Hi friends, today's topic is my Sunday morning routine. Please listen carefully, then repeat after me. If you think the video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Listen and practice. My Sunday morning routine is a treasured ritual that helps me relax, recharge, and prepare for the week ahead. It's a time when I can slow down, focus on self-care, and enjoy some peace and quiet. 1. Wake up early. I like to start my Sunday morning by waking up early, usually around 7 a.m. This allows me to make the most of the day and have some quiet time before the world around me gets busy. 2. Gentle stretching and yoga. I start my morning routine with some gentle stretching and a short yoga session. This helps me wake up my body, increase flexibility, and relieve any tension from the previous week. 3. Breakfast. After my morning exercise, I head to the kitchen to prepare a hearty breakfast. I often prepare a special Sunday breakfast, like pancakes, omelets, or a batch of freshly baked scones. Enjoy a leisurely meal while sipping a cup of hot coffee or tea. 4. Reading and meditation. One of my favorite parts of a Sunday morning is setting aside time to read. I pick up a book, magazine, or my e-reader and spend at least an hour lost in the world of words. This is a time for self-reflection, personal growth, and relaxation. 5. Connection with nature. If the weather is nice, I like to take a walk in a nearby park or spend some time in my garden. Connecting with nature is a great way to recharge and find inspiration. The fresh air and beauty of the outdoors provide a sense of calm. 6. Plan the week. I use some of my Sunday mornings to plan the week ahead. I make a to-do list, set goals, and organize my schedule. This way, I start the week feeling more in control and less stressed. 7. Creative time. I often devote part of my Sunday morning to a creative activity, such as drawing, writing, or crafts. This creative outlet allows me to express myself and relax in a unique way. 8. Relaxation. Make sure to set aside time for complete relaxation. Whether you're taking a long bath, listening to soothing music, or simply lying on the couch with a cozy blanket, I aim to create an atmosphere of calm and tranquility. 9. Family time. In the afternoon, I spend quality time with my family. We might go on a family picnic, play board games, or have a picnic in the backyard. It is essential to connect and bond with your loved ones over the weekend. 10. Early bedtime. To make sure I start the work week well rested, I aim to go to bed a little early on Sunday nights. This helps me maintain a consistent sleep schedule and wake up refreshed on Monday. My Sunday morning routine is a time for self-care, meditation, and relaxation, providing the perfect balance between productivity and entertainment. It's a valuable time that helps me recharge my batteries and approach the week ahead with a positive mindset.